Even Wolonze Mozi when the Homana de making a common I have a kai saber, so when Father Papalele Evangelist Ebuka Obi, Manama just put with the screenshot of the guy you na the screen so that Kunu will see Akunu we magini we go in them. Mana before them can go Ptalun Ebedioku na webido. Somebody made this post 2 days ago. Somebody by the name Obi Paul Chidebere. Go and check him on Facebook. Yeah, for Obi Paul Chidebere made the post. So send the Catholic priest Oboro by Kasok. Leave this young man alone. The only thing that we get this kind of crowd welcoming a person in the Catholic Church is, so he's trying to refer the crowd that welcome Ebuka Obi and the Catholic priest him go to welcome a priest and all those things, Catholic body member to a state. Beginning. It's either if the person is a pope coming to a visit or a prophet sent by God with heavenly powers. So in all jurisdiction, he still give credit to Mbaka being again a priest and a prophet with again heavenly powers, because Mbaka can pull such crowd in welcoming somebody into the state. Because in any video Mbaka Pota from America, a lot of crowd came out to welcome him in the airport. So he's as well making reference to it. Manakunu Fwebe Diokuna we tabu. See, any priest attacking Evangelist Ebuka Obi does not comprehend spiritual things. It is not about wearing cassock and speaking polished English. When grace is at work in the life of a man, the difference is always clear. My name is Obi Paul Chidebere. The Catholic priest should rapo this guy alone in the sense to rapo Ebuka Obi. Aka. Then Rev Father, where did you make this comment? We comment beginning. Very disheartening comment. Kedi who kucha another comment. Osine Ebuka Obi be wapilamo no be financial no wanye no bonka no bonkozo. Ina wonder zikezi ihe gbasala mmadu no wanye na ti kaso. Onya na-ekwu ya kwa onya deli this comment ta ina na afuna screen. At the end of video awebulu again awebulu kwa iye bi mepokwa no awole kwa we do mass. After the father will Father Sebastian see Ozo Bafia. Sebastian see Ozo. So Sebastian see Ozo now. But what today saying that he gave reference to Father Joy Nwebe. Also, when Father Joy Nwebe na ekwu okwu ima go na pull Ebuka Obi na agwa Ebuka Obi na bu fake, all this thing and that na indeed Ebuka Obi bu fake. So if he had na ekwu mba semun that all these priests that they saw all those things Father Joy Nwebe melomba. But they decided again not to say anything about it. When I forgot that the Okwe so eventually they know what they are again actually doing. So but when some point in need because say that at the end of the day Ebuka Obi is forcing himself into Catholic Church is madness to introduce his leprosy. So na kwa Ebuka Obi leprosy. Catholic Church survives over 2,500 years because the church has strict ways of synchronizing her ministers. Every EGOT wants to identify himself with Catholic Church. The church is slow to act. That is why she hardly makes mistake. And one day Ebuka Obi will realize that Catholic Church is not his mate, not by gra empty vessel. What your father the channel comment section. Manachom kunu get reply is Gonyelia. Kodikwan.
When I pray for a father, I pray for a father, a Reverend Father, calling Evangelist Ebuka Obi a castrated he-goat. I pray for a father, a Reverend Father, calling Evangelist Ebuka Obi a castrated he-goat. Say na no me go 50 years, not try one. A Reverend Father, yeah. Aunga hibu na ngada owu katapila eji aru ilo aunga hibu na ngada or decoration eji decorate wedding hall igotako timba na ndu wam na abo timba ibeye na straight he go because no at 50 years. Meanwhile, onye na-ekwu ifa whether 58 years or not 50 years. Okwe flavor. Ụfọdụ n'ime unu na-elususi ihe. Ịghọtago unu na-apụsị sanko. Ọwụ ngụ ma jee ịnụ nwaanyị ajụ na ọya anụ. ana m ajụ gị ajụjụ ka Evangelist Ebuka Obi okwu amụ ngwụnwapụ rod or ngwụnwapụ pipe or living thing ngwụnwapụ non-living thing. What is it he can do that you cannot do? If he can get married, why can't you get married? If you cannot get married, what is his crime of not getting married? It's a question. Nyama if he pour pipe nkibu or decoration keji we make nkibu or non-living thing keji we do castrated. Can even get who? If you have not committed any crime by not marrying, by not being married, tell me the crime he has committed by not being married. If you have taken a decision that you will not get married, tell me the crime he has committed if he has also taken a decision not to get married. The highest thing you are, and this Reverend Father more like the second or third Reverend Father about Evangelist Ebuka Obi Enugu. Meanwhile, unless no one will somewhere, because for all I know, for the moon will keep the somewhere. For you to be put enough, I know why. No longer I castigate another man because no why. You know why? You know I castigate another man. No why. It is your decision that you will not get married. It is also his decision that he has not gotten married. So tell me if you will prove him. Or won't if you will not suppose to know why? Are you indirectly telling us that they know why? They will somewhere and obviously name of if you are telling us that he's castrated, have you put go your own to test? When malo they do castrated. If you could say Tegario Munule, Agua Monona, the hate for Evangelist Ebuka Obi, ye tempo chumu ni there, or ye disgrace so many of you. Not one respectable woman. Castrated is ego, or if in our way. Go on, it's a question. I can even live for the moon or not our wine. Father, one a fruity in wine, where call Muko son, Father and wine. Jet day somewhere. Father, one a fruity in wine, where call Muko son. Father and wine somewhere because kill the audacity of Unya and wine each and wine, where call Madonna. Kill the audacity of Unya that wine. Either one Luna 50 years, on wine. Also, we monopoly the Yanuan, aside the anyway, the Yanuan. The other good, go and the many sign or the Yanuan. Go now in the many sign where who says that another man cannot sign the same thing? Who says that another man cannot sign the same thing? The other good, Nane Tebogari on only ye Shamaka, Evangelist Ebuka Obi, which I respect in Ubunu Nana. The Bossava no moon, there will no moon. Because no na azọ nkụta onye mba na-agụ ọnụ na ya na-azọ ana obi be nna ọnụ ọnụ na ya na-azọ kasọp white ọnụ na-eyi eji aka mas ọnụ na ya na-azọ parish because I don't understand the ọnụ na ya na-azọ fada ya eji wee meghepụ ọnụ fada aha anụ nwaanyị ya eji wee meghepụ ọnụ wee sị na another person elu na 50 years n'ọnụ bụ nwaanyị so ị mara ị na nwoke ọ na suppose ịnụ nwaanyị wee jụ na ya anụ nwaanyị wee decide ya na ya anụ nwaanyị ekwukwe mmadụ asị na ị na-akparị ndị fada mana ndị fada kwanyere onwe ha ugwu na ndị fada respect onwe ha na much respect to them mana as many as you decide unu ya dey to unu le disgrace ya dokwala unu imagine the audacity ke isi we man dey orchestrated he put go onwe to test olugo olu somewhere one ka olugo olu chinechere m na chi amaka no na somewhere anako for the deputy kete say ezugo if truly you are standing with Christianity you shouldn't be saying this mwe gba no na Christianity nke na support ahụ bịa kpuchi alụ onye chi ọka oto onwe ndị ahụ dewere ahụ na ha nwa chọrọ iburu nsị ndị ahụ nọ n'isi ụka decide na ha nwa ya ewuru nsị na-anya Christianity n'ihu iwuru nsị ahụ nya ha pọtụ n'ihu ka ụka wee kado ọkara ihe etu a ezugo